make a spicy chicken sandwich with me. So let me show you guys how I make it. The chicken, I do chicken tenders and I'm just patting them dry. I just washed my chicken. Okay, so what I do first is we're gonna place some. And so look at this. Seasoned salt, ground paprika, cayenne pepper, chipotle chili powder, then we're gonna put some onion powder and garlic powder, and then last some pepper. Now that they're seasoned, we're gonna go ahead and get our pan ready. Okay, now that our oil is hot and ready, we're just gonna place the chicken. Now that the chicken is almost done, we're gonna do the bun. And the bun, we're gonna spray some avocado oil, just like a spray, and then we're gonna put a little bit of salt. And we're gonna stick it in the air fryer. If you guys like Dave's Hot Chicken or even Chick-fil-A, the spicy grilled chicken sandwich, you guys are gonna love this. Like, it's so good. Okay, so now that everything's ready, I have my buns. I'm gonna put this cilantro lime mayo sauce that I made. Spinach. And this is for my man for his lunch. So he only likes spinach on it and cheese. So 1 slice of Gouda, 2 of the chicken tenders. And we're gonna close it up. And this is how it looks. And it's so good. You guys need to try it. In one of these little sandwich bags. And there it is. Try it if you guys try it. I hope you guys like it. I haven't done cooking videos in a long time, but I really miss it. So I think I'm gonna start doing them again. So